These are the Stop Bugging Me All Natural Oil Blend Mosquito Bye-Bye Wipes by La Fresh. I wanted to thank the brand for sending these to me. They came in really handy this summer. What I love about these is the convenience. I love the fact that these are in individually wrapped packets. So it makes it easy for throwing in your bag, for travel, just keeping with you on the go. Another thing, I love the ingredients. So they come with peppermint oil, sesame oil, and castor oil as the main active ingredients. I like the fact that it's easy to apply. So with spray, it gets everywhere and can get in your eyes, but the ease of application and the ability to kind of concentrate it or focus it where you want to apply it is awesome. I do want to point out that it says the do not flush. So I'm going to show you what they look like. So you just tear off the top and take out the wipe. And so it basically, like I said, it's an oil, and you can see right here, you can see the shine on my hand. Just wipe it on the area you want to apply it. You see the shine. It goes in pretty well, and it has a nice light peppermint smell. I like it because it's not overpowering, but it does the job. And so I am really pleased with these. It makes it so easy, like I said, to keep with you, to throw in your bag, to have with you on the go with your family. I'm definitely going to be using these in the future because I really like the ease of use and I love the ingredients. I highly recommend these as an option for mosquito repellent on the go.